Pues sí. Yuji.
guys aren't members here.
You know what? Why don't you just go ahead and sign us up? We'll blaze through these in no time.
Yeah, actually, if you'd like to join our swim club, you need to be sponsored by 2 existing members. But I'm sorry to tell you, fellows, that membership is currently at capacity.
At capacity.
Yeah.
We're in the middle of a terrible heat wave, and you happen to be at capacity for us.
Well, you can try the public pool, but
Oh, thank you. Thank you for your suggestion. We're out of here.
Yeah.
Let's go.
You don't have to.
Oh, sir. I cannot believe that just happened in this day and age. I know. I can't believe there's such a big list. Don't you get it, dude? They'll always be at capacity for us. I don't get that at all. Is that what he said? When we get it, we got big time, dude. He called us lower class. He called us lower class? Yeah. Yeah, but I wouldn't argue with that, dude. We're definitely lower class. Yeah, I'm disputing that fact, dude. I'm saying we shouldn't get boxed out. Honestly, I just want to go swimming. Would you suck it up and go to the public pool? Gross, dude. I will not go to that disgusting public pool. People there are gross. I got a good idea. There she is. This is what I'm talking about, bro. There, the old diving pool.